Amazon's Q3 earnings came in at $6.12 per share, a whole $2.80 less than Wall Street was forecasting. Revenues were closer to the mark at $110.81 billion versus expectations of $111.6 billion. But slowing sales growth and supply chain shortages are hampering the business. Sales grew by just 15% in Q3 2021 compared to 37% in Q3 2020. And the company's forecast for fourth quarter growth of between 4% and 12% leaves plenty of room for disappointment. The stock fell 4% on the earnings data, and many brokers trimmed their price targets as a result. Goldman Sachs and Credit Suisse cut theirs to $4,100 and Morgan Stanley to $4,000. There were exceptions. JP Morgan upgraded Amazon to overweight from inline and boosted its price target by $250 to $4,350. And according to Trackstar IQ, our proprietary search tracking tool, 44 institutional investors researched the stock 50 times last week. Investor sentiment towards the stock has remained positive over the last 3 months, despite a decline in the stock price. Over the last quarter, Amazon stock fell 6.32% compared to gains of 5.33% in the Nasdaq 100 and 4.21% in the S&P 500. Amazon's market cap of $1.7 trillion creates a weighting in equity indices and sectors that is impossible to ignore and which almost guarantees support if the markets are rising and tracker funds are buying. However, a net income of just $3.2 billion in Q3 2021 compared to $6.3 billion in the same period last year is causing some to question whether Amazon's growth peaked in the pandemic and is now normalizing once more as the economy reopens. 59.8% of Amazon's stock is owned by institutions, and for now, they are keeping the faith, and there have been no notable sellers in recent weeks. C-suite insiders and staffers have also held on to the stock, and we haven't seen an insider sale since the 2nd of September. The upcoming holiday period could be make or break for both Q4 sales and investor sentiment towards the business. That's all we have time for today. Click, follow, and subscribe to find out what stock the smart money is watching.